Nimefanya makosa gani? Nimefanya makosa gani kuandika? You are arresting me because of writing a play. Writing a play. What offense have I committed? Alive. What mistake have I committed? Tell me, Marubu. When DCIO? Niambie. DCIO, mnatumika ku arrest mtu ameandika play. Eh? Ama nimefanya makosa gani?
To arrest me is good. No, Marubu, you told me you want to arrest me to take me to the police. That's what you told me. Me, I have a court order here. I'm serving you. The High Court has allowed me to direct the play. They are performing tomorrow morning. Other directors are performing. So, this is the court order, High Court order, rubber stamped for your perusal. High Court. Serving you, you're the head. Marubu, this is my friend, head of DCIO Nakuru. He was in Kakamega, he left Kakamega yesterday or last week. Yes, so this is the order. Have I offended you? No. Have I gone against any rule? I'm just implementing courts. No. You've not told me where am I going to? No. Have I been summoned? Where are the summons? What mistake? Naenda kufanya nini? What am I going to do? Tell me. Ndio hii news hapa niambie. What am I going to? Are you arresting me for scripting a play? Kenya imefika hapo. Mtu akaandika play anafungwa na polisi yao wote. Polisi yote wamekuja na bunduki na kila kitu. Marubu. No. Tell me. I'm a Kenyan. I need to know. So umefika mahali penye tunaarestiwa. Hiyo dhuluma haiwezi bana. Ambia William Ruto aheshimu tu kila mtu. Kwa kama mwatuma mnishike na niko na court order. Court imesema, sio mimi, I'm not forcing anything. And it expressly gives me mandate to train the children. So you are denying the children their rights. Marubu, wewe ni law enforcement.
Hello?
Competent.
Okay, mheshimiwa.
Havana. That's unfair. That's unfair. Not in this era. Not in this era. Not in this era.
Nimekusikiza?
Yeah. But are you arresting me?
I've not said so.
Yeah. So if you are not arresting me, I've refused to go. Because it's not an arrest. If it's an arrest to tell me I'm arrested, we go. Nijue I'm being arrested for writing a play in Kenya.
I said that.
So tell me. So are you arresting me? How police yote ni nini? Have you come to arrest me? Yeah? Sema. Because if you are not arresting me, always kuja na polisi hamsini, alafu nataka mimi nitoke hapa na wewe. Nenda wapi? Usiku na wewe. If it's an arrest, give me a summon. You are the DCIO. Give me a summon, I go. I'll walk into your office. If you are arresting me, nimeambia unarrestia nini? Because me, I'm implementing the court order. No, hapana. Marubu hiyo, ambia hawa jamaa haiwezekani. And me, I cannot be intimidated. I cannot be intimidated. I'll write what I want. I will think the way I want to think. Nobody can censor me. Tell William Ruto he will not censor me. The constitution provides for that. So kama ametumanisha ati mimi nisiandike play, haiwezekani. I'll do what the court instructed me to do. If you want to defy the court, you are the DCI. Defy it. Personally, you'll be liable. Personally, because I've served you the court order before cameras. So arrest me. If you want to arrest me for writing a play. Arrest me. Marubu haiwezi.
Sasa hata sijaongea. Mimi naenda kuongea unakataa.
Haiwezi. Pigia watu waambie wakuje waseme kwa nini other schools are being allowed to train. Trainers ndio wana train watoto.
Wanaingia wakitoka.
Why are you denying Butere girls their right? Why? Wamekuja hapa directly, wamefungiwa huko ndani, they have been locked like prisoners. Like prisoners. And then wamefika saa hii hawajatulia, kesho asubuhi mnawapeleka stage. We have agreed they are going on stage tomorrow morning. You don't want them to be trained. Why? You don't want them to be prepared. Why? Yet the court has instructed that they should be prepared by their playwright. Haiwezekani, Marubu. Hiyo unyanyasaji ambia William Ruto haiwezi. Enda mwambie, yeye rafiki yangu mwambie. And tell the first family to stop interfering with festivals, with young kids of nurturing their talents. Wachana hiyo story ba. So kama wamekutuma arrest me, twende.
Hello.